Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. I might look a little sleepy. That is because I am down at 6 a.m. because of my dog. But I know why my dog made me come down, because I just got a download for my twin flames out there, and I thought I'll share it with you. Right now it's too dark, so I can't take a video of the tree, but I'm going to try my best to explain to you what the tree gave, like what the tree tried to explain to me. So this tree is a single tree, and it was, have you seen my videos in the past? I have put a video of a tree growing with two branches, as in two sort of strong trees growing from one root. So this tree also had that, it had another branch coming out, but when it was growing, another tree came in the way. That is the karmics, the illusions, the external forces. They came in the way and they didn't allow them to grow together. But when I looked more ahead, I kept looking at the tree above, and I kept looking if there was another root coming out in any place, and I seen there was another root on top, and it was blooming and it's growing and it's beautiful. And it was only then that I seen even more higher, and when I went and seen higher, it was like two of them growing. It was like growing, and even though there was another tree coming in the way, it didn't stop growing. It just allowed those two branches to grow. I am going to try my best to capture this in I am getting the download that maybe the first time whenever you all came in union, there were karmics, there was external forces which didn't allow you to come in union. The second time you all bloomed together, you all helped each other to remember who you are, but it wasn't enough, and again maybe separation happened. And the third time, even though there were illusions, there was interference, there was karmic interference, there were triggers, that didn't stop you all from growing together, and you all grew into that beautiful tree. Right now from this angle as well, I can see the two branches growing, and it looks so beautiful. If anybody out there needed to hear this, I am here to tell you that I just seen this sign. This is a sign that if you all are going through a wave of separation, this could be the time that you all might come into union. This could be the time. Even though there are external forces and there are triggers happening, it's not going to stop you from coming into union.